Welcome to Filmora 60-second, no more in a short time. In this video, we will teach you how to create an NFT and sell it. It is an ultimate guide for beginners. Step 1. Pick your item. Select the items you need to use for NFT. The requisiteness is unique and not the copy version of any form. For example, painting, music, game GIF, or any digital item. Because the uniqueness gives NFT value, avoid criminal matters over digital assets or money in between the process. Step 2. Select your blockchain. Once you select your unique digital asset, it's time to start minting it into an NFT. The next step is choosing your blockchain, and you can easily make your transactions. The foremost popular among NFT artists and creators is Ethereum. Other popular options include Tezos, Binance Smart, Cosmos, etc. Step 3. Go with your digital wallet. If you already have your digital wallet, you can skip this step. Otherwise, it would help if you had a digital wallet to access your digital assets. The highest NFT wallet includes MetaMask, Alpha Wallet, Trust Wallet, and many more. After this step, you'll need to shop for any cryptocurrency. If you already own some, you need to attach them with a digital wallet for further work. Step 4. Select your NFT marketplace. Once you have a digital wallet, it means you have completed all the steps. Now the last step is to select your NFT marketplace with cryptocurrency. There are a few numbers of top NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Axie, Nifty Gateway, and many more. Search your marketplace according to your needs. Seek for your profit and search for less taking tax market. How to monetize your NFT? From celebrities to regarded companies, everybody is talking, almost propelling to possess NFTs. But not all NFTs are made to break even. Whereas a few are worth a fortune, a few can be useless. There's no question that non-fungible tokens are the foremost well-known drift within the crypto community right presently. Let's take a look at a few of the significant beneficial ways people and companies are making cash amid the current NFT gold surge. 1. Create your desirable works of digital skill. Perhaps the only obvious but accurate method of producing income from NFTs is to make artwork that beings want to shop for. With stages like OpenSea topping over 2 million sales a month, finding yourself as a spectator for your painting, photograph, digital sketch, animation, or video is less complicated than ever. Artists like Ferocious have gone from sketching at school and on their iPad to becoming multi-millionaires with companies knocking their doors right down to collaborate. NFT monetization here includes creating art that others feel is short in financing. Early adopters of Ferocious's artwork saw potential in his work and are reaping the advantages. NFT investors are looking to try and do the same with other artists. 2. Conserve shortage. Firstly, they don't overcreate. By only minting first-rate NFT art, you ensure your following contacts you with quality. This shortage should decode into good runs, providing a strict cap on readiness. Investors want to feel they found the ensuring big thing. If your adequate supply runs into the thousands, they're less expected to buy. Instead, keep your NFT turns small, minting only a bit. You'll be able also to create false paucity pricing differences of an NFT differently. Unfolding these levels in terms of shortage will help investors know they're buying, from communal to unique to ultra rare. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.